Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how to easily make a shake effect with flash in CapCut. So here I've already import a clip to my CapCut, and what you guys need to do next is click on the clips, go to animation, combo, and then select the popping candy animations to all of your clips like this. And now go to video effects, find a nightclub category, and then select the vibration flash effect. Okay, this one, adjust the speed, intensity, and glow to 100 like this. Click on the check icon, then you can just apply the effect to all of your clips. I'm going to go like this. Okay, and you are done. So here is the shake effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye bye.